I use coarse ground black pepper and kosher salt. I've got 2 cans of Bush's Cannellini beans, which are just white kidney beans. I didn't rinse them or anything like that. That doesn't matter to me. I did drain. I've got 1 can of whole kernel corn that I've drained. I've got 1 7-ounce can of green chilies, fire roasted and peeled. The whole can is going in here, and that's all. So now, so far, that's all. So now what I'm going to do, I really think I need more beans, but those are the only cannellini beans. I've got plenty of kidney beans, and I've got pinto beans, but I don't have any more white beans. And since this is white chicken chili, I guess you need to have white things in there, and I don't have any. I've got butter beans, but I don't know how butter beans will be with it. So in my Instant Pot here, in my Instant Pot, I'm going to go on and put in my celery and my onions. And spill half of it, as I do all the time, because I'm straddling the camera. Alright, so let me go on and finish getting these in here and get these onions up before my dog grabs them. And as soon as these get sauteed, I'll bring you back and we'll put the other stuff in here. Okay, y'all. Alright, so these onions and celery have been sauteing in the Instant Pot. This is the 8-quart IP Lux Instant Pot. I love my Instant Pot. Absolutely love it. Alright, so I'm going to turn off the saute function. And I'm going to go on and put my chicken in here. Alright. Alright, and now I'm going to go on and put my can of corn in here. I'm going to put 1 of my cans of cannellini beans, or the white kidney beans, in here. I'm going to put the 2nd can in here. I'm going to stir this up. I've got 8 ounces of water that I'm going to go on and pour in here so that the onions and the celery doesn't start sticking on the bottom. Alright, so I've got that in there. Alright, I've got the 7-ounce can of green chilies that I'm going to go on and put in there. And then I'm going to put on my spices, my salt and pepper, all that good stuff. And then I will put the broth in there. That way all of the stuff will be mixed in together. I did add another thing. I think I'm going to put in crushed red pepper flakes in there. Alright, so let's get out. Alright, the first thing that I'm going to put in here is the Badia Complete. I'm going to put 1 heaping teaspoon of that in here. Alright. And then I'm going to put in 1 teaspoon of Ancho chili powder. And that's just as dark as the regular. Alright, and then I'm going to put in 2 teaspoons of ground cumin. Alright, there's 1. There's 2 of that. Alright, and then the onion powder. I'm going to go on and put 2 teaspoons of that in here as well. There's 1, 2. Alright, the crushed red pepper flakes. I'm going to put in a very scant teaspoon of those in here. And then the salt, my kosher salt, I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of that in here. There's 1. There's 2 of that. And then I'm going to put 1 heaping teaspoon of coarse ground black pepper. Alright, now I'm going to put the 32 ounces of chicken broth in here. And I'm going to stir this up really good. Alright, so I'm going to go on now and put my lid on. I've got it set to sealing in the back, not venting. Get that piece. Turn it around. Get y'all down. Alright. I'm going to hit manual, and I'm going to bring it down to 18 minutes, and that's it. I'm going to let it do the 18 minutes, then I'm going to let it come down from pressure on its own for 10 minutes, and I will bring you back, and I'm going to taste this white chicken chili and see what it tastes like. Well, I got to put some other stuff in it. All right, I'll bring you back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. All right, so it's cooked for the time, and I let the 18 minutes. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on saute again, and I'm going to put this. I've got 8 ounces of cream cheese here. And I've cut it up into pieces, and I'm just going to put that in there and let this melt. Okay, I've got a cup of heavy whipping cream. I'm going to put that in here too. And I'm just going to stir all this up, let this cream cheese melt, and I will bring you back. This is the last thing, so I used, and you really don't have to use the heavy whipping cream, but I wanted it really creamy, so I used a cup of heavy whipping cream and the block of cream cheese. So it's already boiling on the saute now, so as soon as this melts, I'll bring you back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Alright, so here's my chicken chili. I don't put cheese in it because I'm not a cheese person. Certain things, I don't even like cheeseburgers. Certain things I can eat cheese on, but soup is not one of them. I don't even put it on chili beans. I did put some soup crackers on here. I'm going to taste this and see what it tastes like. I'm excited. It smells so good. My house smells so good. But I've never had chicken chili before, so this is a new one for me. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Let me get some of the beans and the chicken. That was just the soup. That is amazing. Okay, y'all. This and potato soup will be my favorite soups for this winter. I can already tell. This, chili beans, potato soup, with lots of cornbread coming up this year. My daughter's texting me. Hold on. Okay, I'm sorry. All right. This is really good, y'all. Oh my gosh, this is really good. And if you've got your chicken made, it's nothing to it. Oh well, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to comment below. I love to read your comments. And look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and also to look at the links of different things that you can purchase on Amazon that I use in my kitchen. And you have a good night. Talk to you later. Bye.